welcome back to my YouTube video. Today we're going to do a tutorial. I know it's very weird for me to get crazy, but guess what? It's happening now. So come here. Today we're going to do how to train your dog tutorial. Here is a dog. Her name is Pilot. She is a puppy. Say hello, Pie Pie. Yes, she loves the internet. Now she's gonna come with us. She's getting a little heavy. She's about 20 pounds right now. 10, maybe. I don't know. But it's heavy. So let's go over here into the living room and let's train the dogs. Yeah! But first, I'm just going to be happy we're not watching that. Okay, so right now you see your dog. Puppies get a little scared on their first weeks. But you know. So back in the living room, we go. So, right here, we have dog treats. You see? Pilot, stand. So, come here. Come over here, Sahara. By the way, this person is my best friend. So don't. By the way, this is Pilot. She's a very scaredy cat puppy. So you need treats like these. Okay. See, she's already sitting. You give her a treat. Oh my God! So amazing, I know. Next, you ask her to go shake your hand. Shake. Oh, she is a very good girl. Now you give her the treat. Oh my God! And then do you know what comes next? No, you don't. You make her stand. Stand, Pilot. She'll do it in 2 seconds. Just wait. Okay, so if she doesn't do that, then you do it for her. Like this. Whee! And then she'll get the memo. You give her the treat. She stands by herself. Oh my God, you did it. And then you give the rest to her. Now, a moment of peace and love for us. My little baby is named Pilot. She's the cutest little puppy. She doesn't care what other people say because she's my favorite. Now we're gonna hand the camera over to me. Say hello, my buddies. Say hello, my other buddies. Yeah, she doesn't talk a lot. She's not very talkative. And there goes the puppy. Okay, hope you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell. And you know what comes next if you don't. Leave a comment down below and leave a like. You know what comes next. Goodbye. Bye. See you later.